So I haven't fired this thing up in like a few weeks at least. Let's see what happens. We got life. Yes. Yes, bro. It seems so quiet. I love this car, dude. I forgot how much I love this car. Listen to how smooth and quiet it is under here, dude. Oh, listen to it. Wow. All you can hear are the injectors firing, dude. Real good. Yeah, boy. I actually made a custom intake box for a filter down there. Check it out. You can't see it. It's in there. Wait. Yeah. So, yeah, I know. We have a lot to explain today, but instead of us here sitting and talking about it, let's go ahead and just kind of hop in the car, go for a little bit of a drive. It's honestly been weeks since I've driven this damn thing. However, I got to go ahead and put our splash pan on, under tray panel back on. If you guys would like to grab one of these, I'll pull it out in a second, clean it up right quick. Link is in the description to my Amazon store. Have a lot of products on there that you guys may enjoy that definitely will probably help your car out also. Nice little cool DIY mods and stuff like that, so check it out. So I got this thing all cleaned up. If you guys are interested, like I said, link in the description for the Amazon store. Let's go ahead and bolt it up. It's pretty damn simple. It just bolts up in 4 locations, 2 up front, 2 in the bottom. I'm just gonna go ahead and slap it on because it's a little tricky to film under the car. Cleans it up so much, looks so good, even from up top, man. Really clean. All right, let's go for a drive. It's been a while. Yes. Oh yeah. I'm gonna forget, welded diff. I know, guys. The last thing I want to do is sell this engine, to be quite honest with you. But and let's be clear again. I mentioned this in yesterday's video, or the last video. That I'd much rather go RB26. I hope you guys know that. But you know, we need something new on the channel. We need to experiment with new things. Now, here's the thing. I mean, shoot, if you guys want me to keep this RB, all you got to do is buy a bunch of posters or stickers or whatever, and then we might be able to just hold on to this and still have, you know, the extra cash laying around for the actual 2J swap. Still runs good. Adjustment we have to make, like the transient throttle, it gets a little bit kind of rich if you just go ahead and floor it. Little tweak, not a really big deal. But yeah, guys, I mean, let's be honest, you know, I want to get something new on the channel, and that might just have to be a JZ. You know, I'm not really an LS guy. I don't mind them. I don't mind LSs whatsoever, but I just don't want to put one in an S chassis. I'd be happy to put one in like a Nova or like an old Camaro or something cool like that. However, with this S chassis stuff, I know some people are all about it, and but for me, I don't know. It's just not really my thing. And for all my RB guys, don't be sad because we still have our RB25 that we're going to be building for the Z32. And for those that are wondering, why don't you just put the 2J in the Z32? Well, I would love to, but I can't really have 2 project cars if I only have 2 cars. That is not really a smart decision. You know, what I really need is a truck, but first off, I need my own place, you know, my own house and my own garage and stuff like that. That's the first thing on the list as far as like bigger purchases. El Camino, dope. But yeah, don't be upset, guys. Again, I really want to keep this 20. I really, really do. I've had it for so long. So again, guys, I know some people are like, I don't want to buy a poster because I don't want to support the JZ build. You know, but buy a poster so you can help support the RB build, man. Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I want to go JZ. I would love to get a whole other chassis to put it in. That's not really doable right now, and I mean, I just think it'd be cool. You you know, there's a Ford Barra motor, but those are very, very expensive. We could go rotary, but that's just problem after problem, and you know, it would be pretty cool, I can't lie. And plus, I mean, this also kind of contributes to, hey, like if we make it on this Fastest Car Season 2 show on Netflix, you know, we want to make sure we can beat the competition. I'm not saying the 20 can't, but the way it sits right now, I mean, it's making 380 wheel at 300 foot-pounds of torque. We could go ahead and build the 20, like we could go ahead and make 500, 550 wheel on ethanol, you know, but the amount of time, the amount of money that would be invested into doing that and all the machine work. Brakes are good. Kids, don't try this at home. Let's see how good the e-brake is. Damn! Dude, I came so close to you guys right here. Okay, we're in a safe place. There's no one around. Gotta have fun, man. Gotta have fun somehow. Yeah, I love this car. Shelby?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh dear. I think I just blew my tranny. Uh-oh. K-Trans number... What number are we on? I don't know what number, but she done. Dude, who do I call now? No gears. Do I have any gears? Hang on, let's see if I have any gears. First, no. Second, no. Fourth, no. Fifth, no. Do we have reverse? Nothing. Calling for a tow. I forgot I'm a member here. Free tow, but hopefully it just doesn't take them forever to get a tow truck driver out here. That's my only problem. And I only have 15% of my battery on my phone, so hopefully this doesn't take too much longer. And it's already 6:30, and it's already clearly getting dark, so... And we're like in the boondocks, so we out here. Oh, did I lose him? Nope, we're good. I mean, look at this. All was just fine and dandy over here. All was gravy over here. See, someone joined in. You see that? See that? I'm not the only one. This is the party spot, okay? And we came out here. Let's do a little Bernie for the boys, right? Had to do it for the gram. You guys saw me. And got a little wavy, just milking it. Still going to way about up there. And then we went for second. It really didn't like that. Caught it for maybe like half a second. And then she just went, no, I'm over this. Karma, right? Karma. Granted, this transmission is nowhere near strong enough for this car. And this transmission has been giving me kind of problems. So I really can't be too upset. But then again, I even came out to a place where there's no one around. Like, nobody around here. It is what it is. Pay to play. So, my phone is on 1%. I actually have one of my friends. She should be here pretty soon. I can't believe she's so close. Bringing me a charging cord, because otherwise I'm kind of screwed. I don't have a tow for another 2 hours. So, it's not ideal. 7:30 right now. Alright, so usually when the car is running, you shouldn't be able to do this. Dude. Well, I have to leave my car here on the side of the street. I really don't know. It really doesn't seem like the best idea, but I really have no choice. I see my flashers. Can you guys see it? That's me. That's me. We're there. Woohoo! This guy's freaking out over here. Is this guy good? Is that good? All right. Later, bro. We good. I appreciate. The guy was kind of nice. He pulled back up and just asked me if I was good. But here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna call him. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Is this the towing company, I would imagine?
Why I got you on the phone.
Yeah.
Now they said your car was lowered.
It's kind of low.
All right.
Do you? I was gonna ask if you.
I don't have my rollback,
Oh.
but I can still get it on the wheel lift. I just got to jack the car up and set the wheels underneath on a 2x4,
Okay.
and then I can wrap the wheel lift around it.
Okay. Is that them there? It looks like it's just one headlight. We got. Wait. Do we have? Oh no. Oh, there they are. They've made it.
Christopher, give me the single tire strap. What? Give me the single tire strap.
All right. Take care of her. Oh, I'm like really nervous right now.
Oh yeah, I'm sad, I know, yeah.
Well, going well so far. We're going 40. We're just putting along. He's still behind me. Whew, just wanted to update you guys. Car is still good, at least as far as I know. I can't see the car, but well, she's home, safe and sound. It is actually 1:40 in the morning. The car's been here. We've been home for a couple hours now. Almost 3 hours. I just been basically putting in some time on this Z32 in the garage. Just hooked up the whole shifter linkers, got that all set up. A couple other little things buttoned up underneath the car, but that's all just happening off camera. Nothing too interesting. But yeah, oh man, what a video, eh? What a day. I gotta give a shout out to RC Towing. I forgot business cards inside, but they took really good care of my car. Dude was super cool. I was a little sketched out, but obviously since it being a manual, you can just toss it in neutral, weld the diff. So really don't have anything to worry about, just carrying it by the front wheels. He was like, front wheel drive, right? And I was like, no. If you guys want to go ahead and grab a sticker, man, would be awesome, or a poster for that matter, or a little bundle deal, go ahead and hit the link in the description. But for real, I mean, we have another transmission. The K trans is just, it's not strong enough. I knew that tranny was on its way out. That's why we have another one right over there. But ideally, we should have something heavy, stronger for the power that we're at. But since that's coming out of the car pretty soon, and honestly, that might have been the last drive in it. Yeah. I hope not, maybe, but I hope not. But at least we had a little bit of fun in it. All right, guys, I'm out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all down below. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn those notifications on. A lot about to go down, so I'll see you guys very soon. Take it easy. Have a good night. Peace.